Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to convert USDT into Luna on your Kucoin. So the first thing we can do is here, what we do is we go to convert. So here you have a really simple outlook, right? And here, as you can see, it says convert. So click on convert. And here you will see Bitcoin and USDT. Make sure to switch that. And then as you can see, we will see USDT to Bitcoin. So make sure to change Bitcoin here. And here just put in Luna. So as you can see, we have Terra Luna here. You can click on it. And then here we can make the exchange. We can turn USDT to Luna, right? We can obviously put the estimated. So let's say we put 100 USDT. We exchange that to Luna. We can also exchange it, other way, Luna to USDT as well. And then we just need to place order. And then once we place order, we'll basically successfully convert USDT into Luna on Kucoin, right? So that's the only way to do it, right? You can do it in many other ways, but this is the simplest way how to convert USDT into Luna on Kucoin. So if you find this video helpful, leave a like down below, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.